Deleting a QuickBooks Online account is a significant step, often taken when you no longer need the service or want to start fresh. Here's how to delete your QuickBooks Online account. Log into your account. Go to the QuickBooks Online website and log in with your credentials. Access Account Settings. Click on the settings in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Under the Your Company section, select Account and Settings. Navigate to the Billing and Subscription section. Click on the Billing and Subscription tab. Here you will see your subscription details. Cancel your subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription option. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Follow the prompts, confirming your choice to cancel the subscription. You may be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Confirm deletion. Once the cancellation is confirmed, your account will be set to delete at the end of the current billing period. You will receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Consider data backup. Before deleting, ensure you back up any important financial data, as you may lose access to your records after the account is closed.